The last type for initial part is called velar type, which are, in Chinese, we call these letters ge, ke, he, and the pronunciations of these letters are from the end of your tongue, which again, ge, ke, he, or here. Letter G in Chinese is called ge, and when it's in a combination, it sounds like the g sound from glass, g. So the word up here is called gen, which means to be with, to follow. Letter K in Chinese is called ke, and when it's in a combination, it sounds like k sound from cake. So the word up here is called 可以, which means can, okay, allowed. Letter H in Chinese is called he, and when it's in a combination, it sounds like h from the word hi. So the word up here is called he, which means to drink in Chinese.